Hey guys, happy Thursday. It's time for our error analysis. As you can see, our error analysis task for today is dividing decimals by decimals. So yesterday we just had a decimal in the dividend. Now we're going to have a decimal in the dividend and the divisor. Okay, so we're getting this division practice in, okay? So the problem says Lawrence, solved the problem below. His work and answer is in bold. What is the question of 12 hundredths and 2/10? Okay, and then he did his work right there. All right, so remember when we divide, we have to move, and we have decimals in the divisor and the dividend. We have to move the decimal in the divisor. We have to keep moving it to the right until we have a whole number. And however many places we move it to the right in the divisor, whatever we do to it, we have to do to the dividend. So we have to move the decimal to the right in the dividend. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to find the error in this problem, and then I want you to do the correct work. And so I want you to take a minute, pause this video, and solve for it, and then we're going to check your work. All right, so here we go. I'm going to go ahead, I like to work it backwards, so I'm going to go ahead and work it backwards. So my first number is going to be my dividend, okay? That dividend is going to go, we're going to make our house, and the dividend is going to go inside the house. So 12 hundredths is going to go inside the house, okay? The second number is our divisor, so 2/10 goes outside the house. So we have a decimal in both places, so we have to move the decimal to the right until we get a whole number. So I'm going to move it one time. There's my new decimal. Whatever I do on the outside, I have to do on the inside. Move it one time. So remember, our next step is to bring the decimal straight up and plant it. So now we have 2, and then we as our divisor, and we have 1 and 2/10 as our dividend. And so now we can divide. Okay? So can 2 go to 0? Nope. So put a 0 right there. Can 2 go into 1? Nope. Okay. Can 2 go into 12? Yes. How many times? 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. 1 I subtract. I get 0 as my remainder, and there's nothing left to bring down. So my final answer is 6/10. Okay. If we look up here, Lawrence got 6 hundredths. So what did he do wrong compared to what we did wrong? Well, it looks like he went ahead and moved the decimal over, but he forgot to move the decimal over in our dividend. So we could say Lawrence's mistake was that he forgot to move the decimal to the right one time in the dividend. All right, there is our error analysis for today. See you tomorrow.